In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable 2FA on Discord. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra security layer to your account, so only disable it if you understand the risks. Turning it off means your password alone will grant access, so make sure your password is strong and unique before you proceed. Start by opening Discord and making sure you're logged into the account you want to change. If you use multiple accounts, double-check you're in the right one to avoid changing the wrong settings. Next, look for the User Settings gear icon near your username. On desktop, you'll find it in the lower left corner. Click that to open your settings. Inside, go to the My Account section. This is where your core account details and security options live. Scroll down until you see the Password and Authentication section. This is where you manage your login credentials and two-factor authentication. Here, look for the option that says Remove 2FA or Disable 2FA. The wording can vary slightly, but the function is the same. Click it to begin the process. Discord will now ask you to confirm by entering a 6-digit authentication code. You can get this code from the Authenticator app you originally used when setting up 2FA, or you can use one of your backup codes. If you're using your Authenticator app, open it and find the Discord entry. Remember that these codes refresh every 30 seconds, so if one expires, just wait for the next. If the app's code isn't being accepted, make sure the time on your device is set correctly and synced automatically, because time-based codes rely on accurate device time. If you don't have access to your Authenticator app, enter one of your backup codes instead. Backup codes are one-time use, so pick an unused code. Type the 6 digits carefully, confirm, and Discord will process your request. Once confirmed, 2FA is disabled for your account. From this point forward, logging in will only require your password. Because this reduces your security, consider updating your password to something strong if you haven't already, and store it in a trusted password manager. If you change your mind later, you can always return to the same password and authentication section to re-enable 2FA. That's it. You've successfully turned off two-factor authentication on Discord. Take a moment to review your other security settings and keep your recovery information safe. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make the change confidently and safely.